Okay, so in today's class we will solve this question. The question is we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. You can see the question in the screen. Okay, so our LHS is A square BC AC plus C square and A square plus AB B square and AC. Just I am writing the LHS. Okay, so this is our LHS given. Okay, so we'll use some properties of determinant. So first thing I can do, if you will observe carefully, then in the first row I can take first column I can take A common. From first column I can take A common because A is also here. A common I can take from these two elements and A is also here, correct? And in the same way, from second column I can take B common. So B is here, B square, so B I can take 1B common. Here also B I will take common, then B and plus C. Similarly, from the third column I can take the C common because C is common. So we'll do from first row, from first column I will take A common. So from first column I will take A common. So from first column what will remain? Here it will remain A. Okay, and here it will remain A common. If I will take, then A common I will take, then A plus B will remain. Okay, so A plus B will remain. You understood, right? A square plus AB. So A square plus AB, A common I can take now. So this will be A plus B. Okay, so in this way, so this A I will take outside. Okay, so A plus B will remain. And from the third element A I will take common, then B will remain. In the same way I will take common from second column, B I will take common. So B I will take common. Okay, B I will take common, then it will remain as C, B and B plus C. C, B and B plus C. Okay, C, B and B plus C. Okay, and similarly from the third column I will take C common. So it will remain A plus C. C I will take common, then it will remain A plus C, and here A and here C, A and C. So it reduced like this. Okay, so now I can simplify this little bit. How? See, here if I will do A plus B, this A plus B, so what I will do? I will subtract. What I will subtract? In this column I will subtract in C1, I will do C1 minus C2 minus C3, correct? So if I will perform this operation, then this will be A, B, C, that is outside. So C1 element will get affected. So C1 will be A minus C. This element will be A minus C2 means C. C2 corresponding element is C, and minus A minus C. Minus A minus C. So it will be minus A plus A cancel. So minus 2C it will remain. Minus 2C, correct? This is the first element. Second element will be A plus B and minus B and minus A. C2 minus C3 corresponding element, so it will be 0, correct? It will be 0. Okay, so it will be 0. So I will write 0. And similarly, this will be, you will do, so B minus B, so plus B or minus B cancel, so it will be minus 2C will remain. Okay, and it will be C, B and B plus C because only on C1 B perform operations, correct? C2 and C3 will be as it is. Oh, I got this. Okay, so this I got. So now any more operation we can perform? Okay, so leave it. So now I will expand through this. More through C1. So when you will expand through C1, then this will be ABC. Okay, and when you will expand through C1, then first element is minus 2C. So I am solving minus 2C into, when I will expand, then this corresponding row and corresponding column will finish, corresponding row and corresponding column. So remaining element will be B into C, BC, minus A into B plus C. So I can write as AB plus AC minus AB minus AC. Minus AC, directly I am writing minus AB and minus AC, minus AB minus AC. Okay, correct? Okay, so now the second element is also there. This element is done. Okay, so now this is 0, so no need to do anything. This 0 will be 0. So I will now second element, this element, so the 2C. So 2C element is, so this row and this column will go. So remaining will be C into A. Correct? C into A. So C into A will be CA, and before that minus of 2C, minus 2C, plus minus, plus minus plus. So minus 2C, plus of minus 2C into, this will be CA, AC I will write. Okay, and minus A plus C into B. So minus AB minus BC. Okay, minus AB minus BC. Okay, now I will calculate little bit. So this will be A, B, C, and this, if you will see that minus 2C and minus 2C is common. So what I will do, minus 2C I will take common. So this will be BC minus AB minus AC, and minus 2C I took common, so plus of this, so plus AC minus AB minus BC. Correct? Okay. Now if some simplification is there, then if you will see, minus BC and plus BC will cancel, minus BC and plus BC will cancel, and plus AC and minus AC will cancel. So this will be A, B, C into minus 2C into, this will be minus AB minus AB will be minus 2AB, correct? Now if you will multiply, then this minus minus will become plus, minus minus will become plus. So this will be plus. Okay, and this 2 into 2 will be 4. Okay, and then it will be C, A, B, A, B, C. It will be A, B, C, A, B, C, and before that A, B, C was there, A, B, C. So A, B, C I will write first, A, B, C into, plus if you will not write, then also it is same, correct? So A, B, C into 4 into A, B, C. If you will calculate 4, A into A square, B square and C square, and I think that is your RHS. Okay, hence proved. Okay, so that is your RHS that we have to prove, 4A square, B square, C square. So LHS I started, and I reached till 4A square, B square, C square. So this is your RHS. So I hope you understood.